Hey everyone, here's a quick review on a wireless keyboard that Paul, the Grouch in New Hampshire, introduced to me when we did a POTA together a few weeks ago. I liked it so much I bought one myself. There's an affiliate link in the description below if you find this review helpful and you're looking for a wireless keyboard. This might be a good option. Check it out. All right, so today we're going to check out this compact portable Bluetooth keyboard that initially Paul, the Grouch in New Hampshire, introduced me to when we did a POTA together, and I went ahead and bought one because I liked it. XK01 TP, and a link will be in the description for my Amazon affiliate if you so choose. And let's take a look at what's inside if we can get it out of here. All right, for business travel. Nicely packed. We've got the user manual. We've got some kind of a maybe warranty or something. Oh, look at that. A special thank you from Howard. And looks like a product guide and a support sticker. And this has shows what it is. Switch channels, channel 1, 2, or 3, Bluetooth, so you can connect this to, looks like, up to 3 things. Yep, right here you can connect it up to 3 devices, so your PC, your laptop, your smartphone. Very cool. That's very cool. And got a nice case here. Something inside there. Oh, this is a stand. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, this is a little stand, I think, to have the keyboard at various angles, I guess. It's got these marks here. Or no, this is probably for like a tablet, maybe. Well, we'll have to see what it says in the instructions. And we've got the keyboard here, and inside this little pocket we've got a USB to USB-C, and that looks like that's it. So let's slide this out. Take a look. Very nice. I got the blue color. I'm tired of having everything black. It's hard to find things when you got something black that's in a black bag. Let me see where I put my ruler here. So let's just use this tape ruler. So it's about 8 inches by 4.5 inches folded up. So it's this compact, 4-inch by 8-inch, and you can keep it in the case. And then we open it, and it turns on automatically, it looks like. Now, let's see how long it is. It is 15 inches by 4 inches. So let me move this out a little bit more. And it's flashing, so you know what we're going to do is we're going to go to the computer and we're going to turn on Bluetooth. Let's just see how it connects. Bluetooth is on. We're going to add a device, a Bluetooth device, and let's see what pops up. Well, there it is, ProtoArc XK01 TP. We are connecting. Now I'm taking my hands off of the mouse for that. I'm going to see if the touchpad, let's pull this sticker off here. Okay. And let's see if we can use this now. Look at that. Very nice. I'm spinning my finger on the screen. I'm spinning my finger on the screen. There it is. Beautiful. Let's pull up a browser. Let's see how it does. Let's go to YouTube. Whoop. Very nice. Touchpad works really good. There's Chris Radio and Life. And he's got an update. Day 36 of his 52 days of the Simplex Challenge. It's real easy to touch. I think this is considered a full-size keyboard. And the touchpad is right here, and it looks like you can connect 3 Bluetooth devices. So pretty cool deal. It's a metal case. Well, partly metal, I think. I don't know. It's one of those things that feels a little metal, but not. I think this is plastic. But there's maybe this part here is a metal frame here. But a good solid keyboard, no clicking. They're soft touch, and I think it's great. So this is going to become my new POTA / portable setup. And I think once I get my mobile, my Jeep back up and running, this will be my keyboard for mobile, opening up the back of the Jeep and operating from the back of the Jeep. This will all be set up in there, but probably use it for POTA until then. So this was just a quick review of this keyboard. Thanks again. Shout out to Paul, the Grouch in New Hampshire. When we did a POTA again, he introduced this to me and I bought one, and it's well worth it. So if you're interested, check out the affiliate link in the description below. And I hope this is helpful if you're looking for a portable Bluetooth keyboard. This is a pretty good deal so far, so look for it in future POTA videos. Thanks again. Take care. 73.
Roger, Roger. I'll see if he's done talking now. He's done.